Hello, today I will be teaching you a little bit about music. I did music for about 7 or 8 years. I did it all throughout middle school and high school, so I know a little bit about music. I will be teaching you just the basics. Some of you may know the classic Do, Re, Mi, but some of you may not, so that will be what I'll be teaching you today. First, I will be just showing you the hand signs to get started with. First, we have Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, and Do. And then each hand sign has a placement in your body, all the way from down here to the top of your head. The most important part is that La comes up about eye level, so they're like goggles, and Do is right above your head. So it's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do. Next is the singing part. If you're in a class, the teacher will most likely give you the note. If you're not, you can find it yourself, or you can download a piano app, or you could Google a YouTube video or something. I will begin and show you myself. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. And that is how you do the scale.